Antelope, leaping so high. B is for baboon, waving high. C is for cheetah, fast as can be. D is for dung beetle, rolling with glee. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for flamingo, dancing all day long. G is for giraffe, with a neck so tall. H is for hippo, the biggest of all. I is for Impala, jumping around. J is for Jackal, howling sound. K is for Kingfisher, flying free. L is for lion, roaring with glee. M is for Meerkat, peeking out low. N is for Nyala, walking slow. O is for ostrich, running so fast. P is for parrot, making a blast. Q is for quail, so small and sweet. R is for rhino, stomping feet. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger, with a watchful eye. U is for umbrella, bird feathers wide. V is for vervet, monkey trying to hide. W is for wildebeest with shaggy hair. X is for x-ray tetra, swimming with flair. I is for yellow mongoose, fast and quick. Z is for zebra with stripes so slick. Now you know your ABCs with safari, animals wild and free. From A to Z we've had such fun, learning about animals under the sun. Clap your hands and roar with me. We love the safari.